Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For today, I'm going to show you how to set up automatic discounts on Shopify in order to boost sales for your Shopify products with automatic discounts. So the first thing you want to do is to head on over to your Shopify dashboard and on the left-hand side, click on the Discounts menu. From this discounts menu, you can create discount codes and set automatic discounts that apply on checkout for your Shopify products. For now, go ahead and click on the Create Discount button in order to set up our first discount for the Shopify store. When choosing the discount type, choose Buy X, Get Y for a product discount. From the Create Product Discount page, here you can see the option that we chose, which is Buy X, Get Y. Let's change the method, and instead of choosing discount code, go ahead and choose automatic discount. Feel free to title this whatever you wish, but for the purposes of this video, we're going to go with July discount. This is an automatic discount, so instead of a discount code which the customer will have to input themselves, we will automatically apply this discount to all sales. On the next tab, as you can see, we can choose a purchase type for the Buy X, Get Y option, and that's to choose either a minimum quantity of items or a minimum purchase amount for the customer. For this video, let's choose minimum purchase amount, and let's set the amount to, for example, 10 here. And then we can choose a specific collection to apply this specific discount to. What this option does is that when the customer purchases a minimum certain amount from a specific collection, the automatic discount will be applied to their purchase. Here you can browse to see all the collections that you can apply this discount method to. For example, we can just choose homepage since we don't really have any other collections at the moment, since this is just an example. On the next option, which is customer gets, this will set a discount depending on the number of quantity of items that the customer chose to add to their cart. When the customer adds a certain quantity of items to their cart during checkout, the discount will be applied to that automatically. For now, let's choose a percentage discounted value, let's set it to 10%, and we can set a maximum number of uses per order. For now, let's just choose 1. The next option on this list is the combinations, and what this does is that it allows our automatic discount to be applied to other discounts that we allow it to. If we have other discounts available on our Shopify site, this will allow us to combine this July discount with other discounts, for example with shipping and other product discounts. And finally, we can see the active dates where the discount will be applied to. We can set the start time and date for the discount, and we can also set the end time and end date. If we scroll up, you can see the product summary on the upper right corner for the entire July discount that we're trying to set. Once you're happy with all the settings and the details you've set for this automatic discount, scroll down and go ahead and click on Save Discount in order to save this automatic discount. And there we go, we've now set our first automatic discount for the Shopify store. And if we go back to the discounts list, we can see that there is now a July discount shown under the discounts menu. As you can see, the discount is active underneath status, and it is an automatic discount method when the customer buys X to get Y. And there we have it. We've now made our first automatic discount for customers to be automatically applied in our Shopify store. You can check your online store and view it from the themes menu to double check your discount on checkout. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or inquiries, feel free to leave a comment down below.